話說2年前，我去 Morecambe 睇過一間英國海邊酒店，當時我覺得哇，幾十萬鎊買到咁大棟樓、咁多房，仲有額外嘅 flats 同 terrace， 會唔會係一個好大嘅機會？但今日回望，我反而覺得呢類盤最危險嘅地方唔係佢舊，亦唔係佢貴，而係你以為自己買緊一間平酒店，其實你可能買一間好大嘅營運風險。So have you got many interests on this property beside the one who pays an offer?
Well, I had another viewing at 11 o'clock, so you're the second viewing today.
Okay.
Clearly, a lot of money is required.
咁其實當時最吸引我嘅係佢唔只係一間普通嘅酒店。Agent 話後面仲可以有額外嘅建築、terrace， 甚至係 self-contained flats 嘅可能性。對 developer 嚟講，呢啲就係所謂嘅 hidden value。呢度呢 Agent 就帶我哋睇隔離間屋。佢想講嘅重點係，呢啲唔係紙上談兵，隔離已經有人將後面加建出去，增建咗內部嘅面積，所以對 developer 嚟講，呢個畫面好重要，因為佢唔單止係一間舊嘅酒店，而係有機會透過重新 planning 後面空間去增加可用嘅面積，增加房間，甚至創造獨立嘅單位。但同時，呢度亦係最容易令人心喐嘅地方。因為你見到隔離做到，就會開始諗我係咪都做到？但真正要問嘅係 planning 得唔得？結構得唔得？消防得唔得？成本又計唔計得通？
This building is the same on all 3 floors, just about.
咁你可以 either 向後或者向上咁樣做個 extension 啦，增加佢個。所以最吸引人唔係酒店本身，而係你開始想像佢可以變成啲咩。但想像力有時亦係投資最危險嘅地方。Yeah, okay, the side entrance.
Brick it up there and make this into an apartment. It's self-contained with an access.
係咯，呢度可以斬，就係分開個入口啦。咁嗰個就獨立嘅self-contained apartment。
I can take you downstairs, but it is hazardous. I can show you the space, but if you want to walk down, I can show you down there.
Okay, yes.
You want to go down? Okay. Do be very careful. There's no light, but it is a soft landing.
呢度就開始有第一個嘅 warning sign。Agent 話 basement 可能可以改做 self-contained flats， 但同時又話入面冇燈，又有單，行落去要小心。呢個就係酒店最經常見到嘅問題。潛力係真嘅，但成本都可能係真，而且好多成本你一開始根本未必睇得晒。
That's where your lift is, and that's where the downstairs room in the middle of nowhere is. No? So, we'll now go down the left-hand side.
咁買 residential property， 你可以翻新完出租，或者 flip 咗佢嚟賣。但酒店就唔同啦，酒店唔止係一棟樓，佢仲係一盤生意。你除咗要諗 staffing、cleaning、maintenance、入住率、淡旺季、消防、商業保險、business rates， 甚至乎每一間房嘅 ensuite、走火通道、alarm system。啲窗啊 condensation 都有，咁一定要即係執一執啦。bathroom ensuite 都係好舊啦。咁我相信呢個 owner 佢都冇咩咁嘅精力去。2年前我可能會因為見到好多房、好多 potential， 價錢好似好平而心喐。但做多咗 project 之後，我而家反而會更加小心，因為一個 deal 係咪筍盤，唔係睇佢買入價平唔平咁簡單，而係睇你買入咗之後嘅總成本、風險、營運同退出計唔計得通。如果計唔通，再平都唔係筍盤；如果計得通， 即使佢表面好殘，都有機會係真正嘅 potential opportunity。
間最 nice 嘅啦，見過咁多間，起碼仲有啲 fresh 嘅味。咁基本上買呢嚿嘢就真係要全部執晒佢，或者逐啲咁執。
咁如果今日再俾我睇返依類型嘅酒店，我唔會第一時間就問買入價幾平，我會先問5樣嘢。第一，總翻新成本幾多？第二，消防同 building wax 要幾多錢？第三，營運間每個月要燒幾多錢？第四， planning 或者 change of use 有冇機會？第五，最後嘅 exit value 係賣、租定繼續營運。如果你想我之後繼續拆解英國酒店 commercial property 爛屋翻新同開發項目，留言話我知，下一條我可以再講呢類型酒店到底應該點樣做 due diligence。